All right, so we are just deep frying some crescent rolls today. I just cut the tubes into little pieces because that just makes it super easy to get a great little size for our dessert that we're making today. Ooh, yes. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring my plate over, and I'm just gonna grab some granulated sugar and put it right on my plate. You don't need too much, that should be plenty. Go ahead and flatten that out on our plate so we get a nice layer of sugar. Beautiful. Go ahead and flip these one more time, and then they're gonna be just about ready. They cook super quick. That's why I love deep frying, because it's just the quickest way to cook things. Ooh, yeah, these are looking beautiful. We're gonna go ahead and take these out and dump them right into our sugar. Just get them rolling in there, and it's gonna get nice and delicious right into the sugar. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and let these cool down. While those are cooling down, I'm gonna grab a small bowl and a whisk. I have some whipped cream cheese. Ooh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. I'm gonna put this entire 8-ounce container of whipped cream cheese right into our small bowl. I thought I would need 2 of these, but I think 1 is gonna be the perfect amount for 1 roll of crescents. With that cream cheese, we're gonna do some powdered sugar. We're just gonna make a super quick, no-bake cheesecake deliciousness. So all you need is cream cheese, powdered sugar, or maybe a little bit more than that. I like mine sweet. And then last ingredient for our no-bake cheesecake, some pure vanilla extract. And that's optional. It's honestly really good just with those 2 ingredients. Beautiful. All right, let's go ahead and give this a nice whisk. I like using the whipped cream cheese because you don't need to let it soften. You can just get it straight from the store and whisk it together. Okay, this needs a little bit of arm power, I see. But look how creamy and delicious that is coming together. Our yummy no-bake cheesecake. Make sure you get all of that cream cheese blended in there. It's getting all smooth. Oh my goodness, you guys are gonna love this dessert. It is sweet, it is delicious, it is perfect for summer barbecue when you want your favorite summer fruit, because we are gonna add it to this dessert. Beautiful, so that's nice and well mixed. We can go ahead and put that to the side. All right, we're gonna grab our little crescent donut balls, whatever you wanna call them. Ooh, bothers me that there's not an even number, but you know what? Not everything is perfect. So now with these, we're gonna go ahead and grab them, and we're just gonna smush them just like this. Oh, they're so crispy. All right, this is gonna be good, you guys. Perfectly cooked. Beautiful. Okay, now that they're nice and flat, let's add the goodness. All right, so we're gonna bring in that no-bake cheesecake filling in a little scooper. We're gonna go ahead and add a scoop onto each one of these delicious fried treats. This is gonna be so good. Look how it just sits right on top of that. That's why I wanted to smush down those little balls, because it just makes it the perfect little cup for our dessert. I can smell that cream cheese filling, and I am excited. Okay, those 2 in the front are a little bit bigger, so I'm gonna add some extra cream cheese filling to them so that that one can be mine. Beautiful. All right, we're almost done here. We have 1 more ingredient. Last ingredient, blueberry pie filling. Oh yeah, wow. This is gonna be delicious. We're gonna grab our scooper again that I washed, and that's just gonna go right on top. Oh my goodness, look at that. That is a winner. Oh, blueberry cheesecake, sugary fried dough. It doesn't get any better than that. Ooh. Okay, almost done here, and then we get to try a bite. I cannot wait any longer. I need to try one right now. Last one. Oh, wow. Don't those look so good, babe?
They look amazing.
Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go for this one right here. No, this is just gonna fall apart and be so good. Okay. Oh my.
Good?
That is incredible, you guys. You have to try it like today. It's so good.